same data. I will upload the link of this data in my description box. We are going to work for group by stuff. How to group by in Power BI. First, we are going to go to data view of the Power BI. Then we are going to go to home. And then as usual, we will go to transform data. Here. Here we are going to understand the data first. We have so many unwanted. I don't think we need this. We will remove this. Then we have customer ID, company name, contact name, contact, title, city, region, postal code, country, phone, fax, location, short, company name. And let's see what we have in order details. We have order ID, product name, unit price, quantity, discount. Let's see what we have in orders. We have order ID, customer ID, employee ID, order date, required date, ship via, freight, ship name, ship address, ship city, ship postal code, ship country. So here we have ship country and ship city and ship country. So when we go to ship city and we want to find out, let us say which city let us select. Okay, let us select Paris. Let us select all and go and select Paris and see. So in Paris we have 4 orders. So we have 4 orders in Paris city. And we have freight, 4 freight, that is 2 point this many. What if we want to see total freight of Paris city only? We don't want all this subsection that freight is 2.91, 9.19, 87. All I want is sum of all this freight. So what are we going to do? How are we going to find the total freight for a single city? So let us delete this filter first and work on it. How are we going to do this? First, we are going to duplicate this. There are 2 types of. Here we are going to do duplicate, not reference. First, let me tell you the difference between duplicate and reference table. So we just duplicated the orders table. If we duplicate the orders table, the same thing will come in orders duplicate. But if we reference our table, the reference table will always be dependent on orders table, but duplicate table is not dependent on orders table. So if you make any changes in order table, the duplicate table will not be updated. But if you have a orders reference table, if you make any changes in order table, the reference table also will reflect same thing. So here this is how it works. So just now we made orders duplicate function. Here we will go to group by function. The group by function is here. Let's click it. Group by function. So if we have only group by function, only one column to group by, then we will go to basic. But here we have more than one column. So we will go to advanced option. In advanced option, we will click here and go for ship country. Add grouping. Not only country, we want ship city also. So ship city is here. We will click ship city. So what do we name this column? This is freight. F-R-E-I-G-H-T, freight. How do we want this freight? We want what operations? That is sum operation. And click OK. So now we have total freight option. If you go and see, this is the total of the freight of France is 52. And this is how you do group by section. And here we are going to rename this as rename. As freight data. So now we have freight data here. So now we will close and apply. So the Power BI is working on our visuals. So now we will go to visuals, and from visuals we will click visual gallery. Here we are going to pick card which shows 1, 2, 3. So now we have added a card which shows 1, 2, 3. We can go here and add data and go to orders, from orders, we are going to add this. So sum of the freight is 64.94k. This same thing we can do in a different way also. Let me show you the second way of drag and drop. I will close this. I will go to orders. And here I see sum of freight. I'm going to drag this and drop it here. So these are the two ways of performing the same thing in Power BI. Now, let us click somewhere outside of this, and we are going to add data to this from orders, ship country, and y-axis we are going to add sum of freight. So this is how our data looks. But we have so many countries right now. We don't want so many countries. Let us go to filter and put only top 10 countries. Here the filter shows basic filtering. We will go and change it to top 10. And top n means number. Top 10 we are going to add 10 number here. Here we have to add values. As long as you don't add any values here, the apply will not be highlighted for you to apply. So you bring this freight to the value section and then click apply. Now you will see top 10 countries. So this is how you work with the visuals. Okay, now let us work on the relationship between two tables. Let us go to visuals and a table. And now let us add customer ID here. Again, go to visual gallery, add table again, and here add order ID. So now we have two tables, one showing customer ID and order ID. Let us go to our data modeling. Here the Power BI has detected relationship between orders and customer. When we keep our cursor on this arrow, it will show that there is a relationship between customer ID here and here, and the direction of the relationship is from 1 to many, and the direction is from customer to order. The direction is in that way. So now let us go and see in our visuals. When we click customer, this particular customer has order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 things. For example, in Amazon, one customer can order multiple things. And now how we are getting, let us see this. This person has ordered these many things. This is happening because in the data modeling, there is a relationship which we have established. We have connected customer ID to customer ID from customer table. Customer ID from order table is connected to customer table customer ID, and it is moving in this direction. So the orders table is communicating with customer table because there is a relationship between this customer ID and this customer ID, and this relationship is one to many, and the relationship is moving from this direction to that is from customer table to order table. So here it is moving from here to there. So if I click here, this customer has ordered this many objects. This customer has ordered 3, but let us. So now if I click over here, it is not showing anything which customer ordered this product because the relationship is from in this direction, customer ID to order ID. Now if we want to know from customer ID, order ID, which customer ordered this product, we cannot. But when we go here, click here and go to properties and change from single to both. Here now it is filtering in both direction. Now if you go here, when you click this, now this customer has ordered this product. If you click this customer has ordered this. So the filter is in both direction. And if I click customer ID, this customer has ordered these 3 things. And if I click here, this customer has ordered this. Now the filter is in both direction. Now if you go here and okay, you might think, oh, this is so easy, I will go and make all the relationship both ways like this arrows. No, if you do like this, the performance of your computer and the performance of the Power BI will become slow. So you can do this both direction only when you need to filter in both direction. Then only you make this two-way, that is a one to many, and the filter happens in both direction. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please subscribe.